Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share something really easy, super natural, and honestly, very effective. It's how to burn body fat in just 7 days using carrots and apples. Yes, just these 2 simple ingredients. And the best part? You don't need to follow any strict diet or do any kind of heavy exercise. This is something anyone can try, and the results can be amazing. Alright, so let's jump right into the recipe. To prepare this, the first thing we need is an apple. Apples are one of the best fruits when it comes to losing weight. They're not just tasty, they're packed with benefits. One of the biggest reasons apples are so helpful is because they're low in calories. You can eat 1 or 2 a day and still stay well within your calorie goals. Apples are also rich in dietary fiber, which is very important. Fiber helps your digestion, keeps you full for a longer time, and prevents unnecessary cravings. That means you're less likely to snack on junk food. Now take the apple and grate it using a grater. This makes it easier to mix with the other ingredients. Once you're done, put the grated apple in a bowl and keep it aside. Next, we need 2 carrots. Carrots are another great food for weight loss. They're full of water, very low in calories, and rich in nutrients. Just like we did with the apple, go ahead and grate the carrots. Now, what's great about carrots is that they also contain very few calories. Just about 25 calories in 1 medium carrot. This makes them ideal if you're trying to lose weight naturally. Also, carrots are very high in water content, which helps keep you hydrated. And because of this water content, they help you feel full, which again stops you from overeating. They also help the body meet its water needs in a natural way, so it's a win-win. Now add the grated carrots to the bowl with the grated apple. Mix them together gently. Next, we need an orange. You can also use lemon if you prefer, but today we'll go with an orange. Both are rich in vitamin C, which is super important when it comes to burning fat. Vitamin C helps break down fat in the body, especially the stubborn fat that collects around the belly. So go ahead and squeeze the juice from the orange and add it to the apple and carrot mix. Orange juice not only adds a nice flavor, but it also helps with fat loss. It fights the fat that's hard to get rid of, the kind that sticks around no matter what. Now take 1 liter of hot water, not boiling, just hot, and pour it into a large glass jar or container. Then, carefully add the apple, carrot, and orange mix into the hot water. Stir it well so everything blends together. Let all those nutrients start infusing into the water. Once that's done, cover the jar and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This helps the ingredients release their benefits into the water. After 10 minutes, it's time to strain the mixture using a sieve. What you want is the clear, flavorful water. That's where all the goodness is. Now take 1 cup of this drink and get it ready for the final step. To this cup, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known to reduce appetite and also reduce fat storage in the body. It helps you feel full faster, so you end up eating less throughout the day. It also supports digestion and may help control blood sugar levels, both of which are important when trying to lose weight. Then, if you want to sweeten the drink a little, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey. This step is totally optional, especially if you prefer the drink unsweetened. But a little honey can make it more pleasant to drink. Stir everything well, and you're done. You can now pour the rest of the drink into a glass bottle and store it in the fridge. It will stay fresh for a couple of days. So how do you take this drink? It's simple. Just drink 1 cup every morning before breakfast. Make sure to do it on an empty stomach so your body can absorb all the nutrients properly. Do this every day for 7 days, and you'll start noticing changes. You might feel lighter, your digestion will improve, and yes, your belly fat will begin to shrink. Some people even lose up to 7 kilos in 1 week with this drink. Your stomach becomes flatter, your body feels lighter, and your confidence grows. Of course, keep in mind that results vary from person to person. It depends on how much fat your body has and how fast your metabolism works. Some people may lose weight faster, while others may take a little longer, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to be consistent. Keep drinking it every day until you see the result you want. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports my channel and helps more people discover these natural tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.